Okay. Good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Grant Smith here with the National Weather Service here in Juneau, Alaska. It's been an active 12 to 15 hours with all things Mendenhall and GLOF updates. So we're just it's Monday, kind of about middle of the day. Let me just go ahead and get a current timestamp for you so you know what time it is as of this live recording. Current time, we're about 12:45, Monday, August 11th. And I'm just going to bring you the latest here. As I'm sure there's a lot of concern, a lot of questions. We are watching everything very closely. But just to start off with, a special weather statement was issued last night, and it has been updated a few times. It is on our website, but there it is there as of 10 a.m. Monday, so just a couple of hours ago. The USGS web camera and laser gauge in the Suicide Basin continue to show indications of overtopping. This means that the basin is at full capacity, and in the past, it usually has taken up to 6 days from the start of overtopping, which is estimated to happen yesterday on Sunday, for the outburst event to begin. So we are monitoring this very closely, as we would expect this flooding event to start sometime this week if history repeats itself. So the water levels in the basin will slowly fall as the overflow channel erodes. So as the water is overtopping, so as it flows, it's eating away at the glacier. So a faster drop in the water levels, in addition with a rise in the Mendenhall Lake, will indicate a subglacial release, and our office will issue the flood warning. And all of this is stuff that we are monitoring very closely as we go throughout the rest of today. So let's back up and see the basin big view here. Lots of activity obviously happened yesterday, and now we're starting to see some lowering and steadying and lowering. So this is being watched very closely. In addition to the Mendenhall River view, it's kind of seeing it rise, but it has been raining. So this is also kind of mixing up our signals as well. And let's take a look at the satellite view. Right there in the middle part of your screen is this band of heavy rain that is slowly tracking to the east and southeast and moving out. Juneau is right there on the backside of the heavier rain. So we are looking at the heavier rain rates moving out. Doesn't mean it's going to stop raining. We're still expecting to see some light on and off rain to still continue through today, but we should be seeing a diminishing trend as we go throughout today. So stay up with the latest on our monitoring page. This is what it looks like. We're monitoring, updating it every few hours or so. This last update was at 10 a.m. That's when we issued the latest special weather statement. It's got lots of information here, webcam images, hydrographs, and even the latest forecast scenario. So if it were to release now, this is what it would forecast. But this is being looked at very closely by the River Forecast Center in Anchorage, hydrologist there, along with our senior hydrologist here. We're working closely to make sure this is ready to go when we start to see those indications of a release. So stay plugged into the latest on our website. Weather.gov/Juneau is where you can start by seeing all this. We're going to end with a quick glance at the weather forecast. Rain today moves out, break in the rain on Tuesday and Wednesday. Then looks like another low moves into the Gulf, bringing another round of rain on Thursday and Friday. So lots of moving parts. We'll be keeping an eye on all this. Latest also the overtopping on the basin. You have some information here available to you as well. So stay plugged into the latest forecast on our monitoring page or weather.gov/Juneau. Stay plugged in here on our social pages, as we'll keep you updated as often as we can. Otherwise, have a good week, everybody.